One of the many questions I get a lot of times is that people cannot carry their twists for more than 2 weeks, for more than 3 weeks, because it's going to get frizzy, it's going to lock up, it's going to have a lot of tangles. But what if I tell you that you can actually take your twist to like 6 weeks, 4 weeks without having any problem whatsoever? Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, or rather demonstrating, how I've been able to carry this twist for 4 good weeks, and I'm still pushing for 6 weeks because that is the amount of time that I want to carry my hairstyle. And you can see for 4 weeks these twists are still looking great. And typically I used to be scared of carrying my twists for this long because I feared they would lock up, I feared there would be tangles, I feared they would be very frizzy. Of course, I still have some frizz, but as you can see, they are holding up pretty well. Now I'm going to be taking down some twists so that you can see that there are no issues with my twists, with tangles, with locking up, because of the things that I do to my protective style when they are in. And I want you to pay close attention, and I will show you so you can see it in real time how my twists are looking right now. Just notice that I have washed my hair, I have deep conditioned. I went ahead to moisturize my hair before taking down those twists, so that I can have some form of lubrication. Now guys, I have videos of how I moisturize my hair in protective styles. I'm going to leave a link for one so that you can go watch that. But just not to make this video a long one, I decided to jump right into how I take down this twist. Now, for those of you who are scared of my hair is going to lock up, my hair is going to daze, you can see I'm going to tell you all the things that I do that makes my twist to stay intact. As you can see, I'm taking this down in real time. I'm not fast forwarding this. You can see how separated they are. There are no tangles. There's no difficulty, like absolutely no difficulty in me taking this down. Now, I decided to take this part in the front because most times my edges used to be where I experienced that much tangles, and also I feel like it depends on how we care for our protective styles. How you install them, how you take care of them during and after determines a lot how your hair is going to turn out. So as you can see, this twist doesn't look like something that is locking up. As you can see, it was easy for me to just separate that. So they are looking okay if you ask me. And then you're going to see just a tiny bit of shedding that came out from this 1 month of, keeping this twist in. I'm going to take down another one so that you guys can still see what I'm talking about, because it's very easy for you to doubt, the longevity of your protective style. If you're not testing it out, you're going to think that it's all going to be bad. But I would attribute this ease in taking down this twist, or not having any issues with this twist. I will attribute everything to proper care, like moisturizing my hair, making sure that my hair is never dry. And another thing I noticed is that my twist is never dry. And I won't say I have been consistent with moisturizing every 3 days like I always do with my braids, because of fear of frizz. You can see this little shedding that came out. And I also thought I would never wash my hair until after 1 month in this twist. But I have washed my twist twice because scalp has been acting very funny, so I make sure that I wash bi-weekly. You can see the ease. I'm just putting that down. Twists, yes, I know it doesn't last as much as braids will, but trust me, if you can see how my twist is looking right now, even the flaxseed I applied at the beginning, you can see the ends of my hair are still looking like separated because of the effects of the flaxseed. And after that, once I applied it, I have not applied flaxseed again. I'm using my shea butter to twirl the ends of my twist, but I'm definitely going to be using flaxseed gel. Once I make it, I'm going to try and use it to lock up the ends of my hair. So now look at this twist. Look at this other twist. Is still looking, put together. We are going to take it down so that we see if it's really put together. I didn't even need to apply a leave-in conditioner to take down this hair, which is unlike me. And you see the ease in which I'm just, unraveling this twist in the opposite way in which I installed it. So moisturizing your hair can never be overemphasized. That is the only thing that will keep your hair intact once you are trying to take it down, no matter what, because I'm still pushing to take this twist to 6 weeks. Yes, that is how far I want to go with my twist, and that is why I am showing you guys. For those of us who probably don't want to install braids and you want to make twists, you can still carry your twist for long, because I typically would say For low manipulation hairstyle and to maintain a lot of length retention, it's very advisable to keep your style in for at least 3-4 weeks or 6 weeks the most, so that you don't experience any issues when taking it down. And this is my 4th week. I still have 2 weeks left, and that is why I'm showing you in demonstration how it's looking. I'm not fast forwarding this, you're seeing this in real time, and you see the smile on my face, guys. It's showing that yes, I'm doing something right. Like I was so happy because I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting this for twist. If I was taking down braids, I would be very comfortable because I know nothing is going to happen. But for twist, for my twist to look this great, even in taking down, I don't have issues, guys. It's really safe to use twist as a protective hairstyle for length retention. So guys, my secret is moisturization regularly and making sure that my ends are tucked away. They are not rubbing off on each other. And I will also say applying that flaxseed gel at the ends to lock up the ends really does work. You can see my length, just doing a little bit of length check here. It's almost getting to my waist on the side. My back length check already has gotten to my waist length. This is from the side, upper part of the side of my hair, and you can see how long it is. So length retention is possible if only you put in the work, if only you put in the effort to make sure that as much as you want to take that protective style in for a long time, you have to make sure you are moisturizing regularly, massaging your scalp so that there'll be a blood flow through your scalp and to prevent excessive shedding and breakage. So this is what my twist is looking like. I still have 2 weeks to go before I have to retwist the entire twist. So that is why I'm showing you guys what it looks like right now, like currently showing you that you can still take your twist to up to 6 weeks without having any issue. You see that length? It's lengthening. That length is very impressive because look at the rest, it has shrunken up, and this is what I have right here. So if you are struggling with length retention and you love to do twist but you feel like your twist is going to be very frizzy before 2 weeks, before 3 weeks, girl, you can take it for 4 weeks, you can even take it for 6 weeks if you know how to, give it the proper care that it needs during that protective style, so that when you want to take down your hairstyle, you won't have any issue whatsoever, which is exactly what I did. So I hope this video helps you. I hope that you learned 1 or 2 things. I hope you're not freaking out anymore when you want to carry your twist for a long time, because this video is an evidence that whether it's twist, whether it's braids, it does work. Though for braids you can go as much as 2 months, 3 months. For twist, you can still go as much as 6 weeks. As I have shown you, there's nothing wrong with my twist. There's no locking up or anything as such. And if you feel your edges are still very rough, you can use a headband to cover up that aspect. So that is it. That's what I've been doing, and that is why my twist has been looking great. So you can call this my 4 weeks mini twist update, and you can see how smooth it's going. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell for more updates, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.